Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on what I kept from my second Dia box. So as I explained in the video, it was kind of a fluke that I had it at all. I had switched the subscription timing over to on demand, but apparently because I did that right after I made a purchase, it automatically rolled into getting me a new box like instantly. So when I switched it, it was kind of too late. I contacted the company. I told them what had happened. It was already on its way when I found out about it the next morning. And so they just comped me the fee on the box, which I thought was really, really nice. And they said, go ahead, take the box, make a video. We don't mind helping you out with some of your content. I said, I won't be able to keep anything. And they said, that's all right, because, you know, of course, this is filming during December. I did all of my filming ahead so I could enjoy family for the holidays. So anyway, but I did wind up keeping one item. I wound up keeping these pants right here. So I'm gonna pan down a little bit so you can see them. I can't remember the brand. You can go back and take a look. But I had been, let me turn and show you the back. I had been wanting some dark skinny jeans. I don't really wear skinny jeans that much. I don't think they're the most flattering on me, but for booties, and for boots, I needed some, and these miraculously really, really, really fit me in the waist. Normally when I get pants, they're always just the littlest bit too big in the waist, at least. And these, there was no compromising. Now they are just a little bit shorter than I would prefer, but I can live with that, and I can tuck them into high boots. I'm looking for another pair of high boots still. I do have one pair, but they're very flat. But anyway, I have worn these tucked in there. But I really like these. The fit otherwise is perfect. I think they were $59 if I'm not mistaken. Of course, they went ahead and credited me $20 back towards the price, even though they comped me the styling fee. So they took 20 bucks off anyway. So I got these for 39 bucks, which again, with these boxes is not bad at all. So I'm so glad I kept them. That kind of filled the last sort of need when it came to my jeans. So not that I couldn't always use more jeans, but these are fantastic. So there we go. I'll put my link down below, my referral link. If you want to try Dia & Company for yourself, it is a plus size styling service. They run sizes anywhere from 10 to 32, or they say large to 3X, but I'm wearing a Dia & Company top that is a size medium. So clearly you can get, you know, some mediums in there too. The styling is spot on. Stylist really, really did a great job with me. I just really, really am impressed with this company. I didn't think I would be. Okay, I've waxed on about them for too long. I'll link my second video down below. I'll link the first one too, maybe if I think to do it, so that you can also see the box that this came in. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up real quick if you would. If you'd like to subscribe, I would be honored if you would. And I'm going to let you go now. Bye-bye and be blessed.